Welcome to Health Academy. Health Academy is a channel that shares tons of knowledge about all aspects of health, including wellness, beauty, diseases, food, and other related topics. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell because we upload multiple contents every single day. We also publish full online courses and advanced master classes in our channel for free. In this video, we will discuss simple instructions on how to make a smoothie for great results. So without further ado, let's jump right in. You might have heard the buzz about smoothies. Smoothies are simple drinks made up from a cocktail of different fruits and vegetables, often with a liquid and some kind of creamy base thrown in for good measures. Smoothies taste delicious. And what's more, is that they also contain a ton of goodness in the form of vitamins and minerals that are missing from our diets too often these days. By simply adding a convenient smoothie to your diet and having this once a day, you can massively increase your overall health, your body composition, and your immunity and energy. So how do you make them? Here are some basic steps you can follow. 1. Find your weapon of choice. The first thing you will need, of course, is a smoothie maker or a blender. This is what you are going to use to mush up your ingredients into a pulp, and of course you need something powerful to ensure this can be done quickly and easily. Think too about how easy the smoothie will be to dispense and to wash afterward. The NutriBullet is a very popular product right now because it allows you to simply remove the top of your blender to take with you as a bottle. 2. Select your liquid. Next, you need to choose a liquid. This is of course what will make your smoothie runny and what will make it a drink. The more liquid you add, the runnier your smoothie will be, of course, and this comes down to personal preference. The norm is to add somewhere between 1 to 2 cups. Good examples of liquids include juices, water, milk, ice, and even tea. There are different benefits of each, so have a long hard think about which you want to try and how this will go with the other ingredients you have planned. 3. Choose the base. The next part is the base. This is the main ingredient, and it is what is going to provide the consistency of your smoothie, i.e. what will make it smooth. You need to choose something that has the right creaminess while also offering a good flavor, as this will likely be the most overriding flavor in the drink, and also lots of health benefits. Popular choices include banana, mango, peach, avocado, yogurt, and ice. From there, it's then a matter of picking your fruits and vegetables. You can do this yourself and simply think about what is likely to work and what isn't that likely to work against the base and liquid you've chosen. Otherwise, you might choose your fruits based on the different nutritional properties they can offer you. If you aren't willing to experiment on your own, then of course you can also try turning to a recipe instead. There are plenty on the web, so you shouldn't be stuck for inspiration for too long. Finally, consider a few different extras to give your smoothie that extra kick. You can add garnishes, for instance, or even nuts to make it pretty, or how about sweetening it with a little honey? If you have any comments, suggestions, and reactions, let us know in the comment section below. We will be posting more videos about these topics and other contents related to health and wellness, so make sure to subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up to help our channel grow. See you in our next videos.